To use Turtle Wax's Black Box Kit, first wash and thoroughly dry car. Use a high-quality vehicle wash such as Turtle Wax Ice Car Wash. The vehicle finish should be cool to the touch. Use gloves if hands are sensitive to car wax or black pigments. Next, apply Step 1, black pre-wax cleaner and conditioner to applicator, and apply to the vehicle using a back and forth motion to a deep clean finish. Let that dry to a haze and apply to one section of the vehicle at a time. Lightly mist the black spray detailer onto a folded microfiber cloth or onto surface and remove polish. Use the same applicator and towel until the entire vehicle has been prepared. Now, apply Step 2, black Caranuba blend wax to the vehicle finish using a back and forth motion. Let that dry to a haze and lightly mist black spray detailer onto a fresh folded microfiber towel or onto a waxed surface and lightly buff to a high gloss shine. Use a clean microfiber towel and black spray detailer for a final wipe of each section to enhance the finish. Wash hands thoroughly after use.